Hey, Himanshu Bishter from withhimanshu.com. In this video, you will be discovering how to build your email list from scratch. So if you are just starting up in your business or you are planning to start your email list, this is the perfect video. A few months ago, there was a day when all social networks shut down for one day. Now imagine if you are running a business on Facebook or you depend on platforms like Google or YouTube or Instagram for your business. This is something which you do not own. One of the things that I have learned in my business is if you are not building your email list and if you are not managing your email list, then you are actually giving control of your business to other platforms. So in this video, you will be discovering how to make best use of your email list. So I will be covering three important parts in this particular video. First, how to build your email list. We will be talking about this in very in depth. And second, how to manage your email list. And at the end, I will also be showing you how to monetize your email list. Now, a lot of people keep building your email list. In fact, when I was starting up back in the year 2014, I decided that, okay, let's create an email list. That was the time when my one of the website was getting over 300,000 visitors. Now, eventually what happened, I ended up having over 5,000 email subscribers, but I didn't know how to monetize that. So all these three things are critical if you are building your email list. So you will be discovering in this particular video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, before we move ahead, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that every time when I put a new video, you can get notified. Now, this channel is having, and of course, I have created this channel for in-depth videos, in-depth sessions, so you can learn something that you can actually implement. It's very different from sharing some tips and tricks about email list or sharing some tricks about online business. It's about going in depth. All right. So hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. All right. Now, first thing, let's jump into my screen and let's understand these three integral part of DIY email marketing. Now, do it yourself email marketing. All right. Now, the first thing you need to do is to learn how to build your email list. Okay. Now, let's start with building your email list. Now, I want you to imagine, let's say you are going towards some stranger. Let's say you went to a party and you are asking for someone's phone number. Now, some of the ways you can ask your phone number is by one of the first thing you can actually do, and you should always do, is by creating enough trust, right? If you do not know someone and if someone do not believe on you, then they are not going to be giving you their email address or their phone numbers, right? So first thing is actually creating this uh, trust, right? So how can you actually do it? Now, there are certain ways to build your email list faster, okay? And especially when you are doing it from the scratch. Now, first thing you need to do is to create, you can do some kind of invitation. Now, let's say you will ask, you went to a party and you ask from someone, can I have your phone number? And they will actually look at you shocked, right? So instead of it, let's say you are inviting them for another party or you are inviting them for a function, then you can easily say, okay, just give me your phone number so that I can remind you later, right? Now, this is one way to get their email address. Now, let's say you are having a great event and you are organizing an amazing event and you are looking for other participants. Now, if you will create such kind of product, and it's again, it's a product or it's a service, right? You will be offering. So let's say it's an online event or it's an offline event, and you are inviting these people for this, then you can ask for their email address, right? Now, the second way to do it, now there is raining outside, so that's the reason you might be listening to all these noises out there. Okay. Now, second way to do it is by offering some kind of gift. Now, let's say you are offering a free book, okay? You went to a party and just imagine this, okay? Picture this. Now, you went to a party and it's about books, okay? This party is about books, and you are a self-published author and you are giving your book for free to these people. Just if they can give them, if they can give you their email address. Now, most of the people won't mind giving their email address for free for a free book, right? So it's a free gift. So some people call it a lead magnet or a lead capture. Okay, offering your free book, offering your free video is a really good way to generate your email list faster. Now the third way is by creating an offer. Now imagine a lot of people shop on Amazon. What you can do, you can go to these people and you can say, give some kind of Amazon gift card, or you can offer some kind of discount on particular offer they are interested in. Then they won't mind giving their email address for this, right? Most of the people, and of course you don't want to entertain all the people. A lot of people subscribe to my email list because they know that I'm providing a lot of value to them. Now I cannot work with everyone. I cannot work with people who have no intention to learn with me, right? So while you are building your email list, it's integral part of it that your funnel should filter out people who are not quality, filter out people who are not interested to learn from you, or people who are not interested to buy things from you, right? You cannot work with them. A lot of people subscribe to my email list, but they never open their email list. They never open when I send them something useful, and I only share something that is really useful, but still they don't open their emails. Now I cannot work with them. So most of the time I make sure that I am filtering out these people who are not interested in my product, right? Or my services, or uh, something that I'm offering that is high value, but still they are not uh, valuing that thing, right? So these are the three simple ways to build your email list from scratch. Now, how can you actually do it? You can, there are traffic sources out there. There are traffic. In fact, I have created a lot of videos regarding this on my channel, so you can check that out, about how to generate traffic to your lead pages from Facebook funnels, okay, and of course by building your funnel. And second thing, once you are building your email list, is managing your email list. Now, managing your email list is critical. You need a kind of software, or you need a kind of tool that can help you to maintain this email list. Okay, now one good tool I personally use is getresponse. I love getresponse because it provides me most of the automation that is useful when you are building your list. You don't want to do all of things by yourself, right? If you have a blog, you can create your beautiful forms, and you can embed on your blogs, okay? And you can even create your pop-ups. uh, if you are using WordPress for it, you can download GetResponse uh, plugin for it, and you can manage your email right there. Okay, so you can automate your list, you can grow your email list, you can send them emails every single day, or depending on or weekly or monthly, or you can wish them on their birthdays. So a lot of things you can do, and this is all part of managing your email list. While people focus on managing building their email list, it's critical that you are building a relationship with these people, because I believe people I'm talking to, people who are going through my email list, they are human. I personally believe that they are just like me, who believe in doing things by themselves, who are trying, hustling really hard to grow their business, right? So they are connected with me at very personal level, and I love to work with these people only, right? So this is a part of managing your list. And last part is monetizing your email list. Okay, now some of the ways to monetize your email list is by offering something of massive value. Okay, if you want to sell something, then it must, I don't believe in selling, to be honest. I only believe in helping other people. Now, a lot of people go through my programs, and this is, I don't even open them for everyone. I open them only for the people who are serious, and whom I know that they are going to be taking action after they go through my program. So you want to make sure that you are only working with people who are really valuable, right? Who value what you are offering, your services. They believe in the ethics, or whatever you are doing, right? Yeah, if you are selling an affiliate program, if you are selling your online course or coaching, consulting business, right? So here are 4 ways to monetize your email list. Okay, first is by offering an online course. Second is by offering a physical product, and third is by promoting other affiliate programs, And fourth is by offering personalized services like coaching or consulting. Personalized services are really good if you are starting up as a digital coach or digital consultant. Online courses is for people who have some kind of experience. Now I have done all these four ways. I have monetized my email list with all the four ways. One of the best way I would recommend is by creating an online course. It's a great way if you are if you want to leverage the power of digital products. Okay. Now there are a lot of uh, ways to build your email list, manage them, and monetize your email list. These are the top ways I would recommend. If you are someone who believe in things by doing it themselves, if you believe that you are a rebel entrepreneur, you are someone who want to do everything by themselves, who want to take the responsibility, and who is hustling really hard, and that means if you are someone like me, I would love to invite you for my email list. Definitely check out my description and register for my Facebook group or whatever link you can find in the description. And because things are changing fast, okay, I would love to work with you, and I would love to help you at a personal level. Okay, so do this right now. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do that. Hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye bye.